And the America Cosini said, "You both down Potano, you're pending for now. Who say Akofena, a free so, and in our first so also do, because I drop by John can kind young members. And you know, I'm not asking the Omukano, Crano, and put that I say, oh, my, Nana, I'm another begging idea.
I'm sorry, CCA, ye Gina Hay, ni baby, I have a Mira Danity, say, I'm sorry, no, a year or no, ye founder and leader of the church.
Sanko foya na asaboko jan ena omudi nipa na mi reyi no na asade na ba yasam ni se ne obia ti se basa si Kristo Asafo mu a eye ya sorry mpanimfo ene ye council of elders omo na omudi basa no aba Kristo Asafo mu yesre atantiri ni e de ama Adwoa Safo a.
Alright, ebusian for me church will be a kwaba at the Baba Grace TV. So you disappear the ample young crop phantom. Ebusian will be on your mistress, will be kind home. Our channel is one, our subscribe, and my whatever man, or like and our comment and our share. I'm a friends when you be a so bad, and you sure Abusian. Now on your so come so there, and from now, also now train the paper and a former member of parliament for Dome Kwabenya constituency, Honorable Sarah Safo. Sebi, a bit told you say allegedly. Nipa bi abon to bra na wo call isusu say it's alleged say wo kodwumadi bia na asafo mu mpanyefo bi ahia se wode ne nia kodwo Safo Akofena etie akunya so na busua ensem ne be ye digya ama ye di mu nkoma posfo ahyase no kwa di kan kire nipa nsia afi akire kwa wo kire kodwo Safo Akofena ne nipa menu bi ka wo ho ma ode mo call court wa adenta circuit court abeto dwa say court amo bill nyankopon ye ademu a bosome ye we nim bosome be se nkunu mo be sa akọ na de aka bi ato aso na busua ensem na be ye bebre na ye nka bi nhye won se bra ensem no course wa no argument a ebinom ba abonte am making say first of all e wo mse no kore be se America ka atwam ko apostle ko Safo Kantanka e de ne ba ko Safo Akofena tena akunya so se on na woni hu adachi bia o meso ntuom na o meto aso as a leader of the Kristo Asafo missions of Ghana. Yeah, video ni ba abonte ma na apostle ko Safo kasa ne ban da na koma so chese ne so nipa de ohun bi da ne ade na na bi be make argument say yes and no papa kan sa asem to on but the maybe dream a osesa na asem o kan no e ma no kwenti omo bowra asori no constitution mrakun na omo de bo asafo no bra e ma omo ye sakra bi wom over kan say this ankon bebre enti no achi adwada asem si kosi adade achi adwada it is alleged say character be free apostle ko Safo Kantanka ebusuafo ba abonten ya na nsem wo character mu na akire say omo church nsem wo do asi na character omo de ba abonten ebusuafo be kaya omo chem omo ka say wa fim pim ni dunso 2017 mu na apostle ko Safo Kantanka bo no an ba ko Safo Akofena din di bre kase yes a share nsa character no munyam na make ka character no omo sa chem say so bra apostle ko Safo Kantanka di bre kase yes share ne ba ko Safo Akofena ensa no osesa no maybe atwam san say omo kire say ebra di bre no be di ye wo fa ko Safo Akofena ho no abusiafo na ka wo character no mo nto bia otu bia no na on involve ne papa apostle ko Safo Kantanka on the founder of the church any nsem bibredin na konso amafi ekodu ba bi kra say asafo no fapem the foundational principles of the church no na omo say esesa ne nanam so ama apostle ko Safo Kantanka esa ba abonten say sebio kra say wa cancel we bibra wono abo ne ba ko Safo Akofena de ba waje afiri nsem e ma omo ka say krata bi kra ho edi wan dance na busua ye na nemu na krata bi abetonten tan fidi no so a Asafo no constitution it is believed say Asafo no constitution yeah krata na constitution no e fa omo ka na ya twere wo say the real apostle ko Safo Kantanka the man ba ko Safo Akofena waje afiri nsem that part na audience na that's no let's go into it. So on your screen the constitution of Kristo Asafo mission of Ghana amendment 2024 do that so say Kristo Asafo my Ghana ha wamumra kunyini constitution and sakra ya in the year 2024 no and na sabe that's no na yero mai na to hwe ase wa wo mo Christ no Kristo Asafo mo stamp official stamp bo say Kristo Asafo mission of Ghana PO Box NT 476 Accra New Town right Nti yenko the next slide so we the yensa na aka bi. You will send an out interference in the uncommon. It is alleged say kratai the constitution of Kristo Asafo mission. Yeah, kratai when Apostle Safo Kantanka did to just say on one ba Akofena. Yeah, obondi in the year 2017 say omra me di Asafo nanim na onto ne mama bibia anye boko no. Wasan agye free nsem and I said the brain of the man was Jeffrey nsem. Okay, sha krata na ba abonten. Say here constitution na beda media no so yensa ka bi a ye bedi mu ko. It is alleged. It is all hwe me na or further and better particulars. I'll be to me for a number now. The near the Munko. Want to shall say Article 75 clause 1, 75 clause 2, 75 clause 3, 4, any other adina and no church. Now, by Article 12 clause 1 kill now, repute and the following inserted to church and won't say, Odi catch him, say, leader answer about a penny the mass of no say. Any next leader of the church shall perform the duties as contained in Article 12 clause 1 D and E as the leader, but shall perform the functions stated in Article 12 1 F I J K L N and O in the Constitution in conjunction with the Council of Elders. That's how much I see you say penny na beda Safo na no a. I mean Leader+Adwoa bedi and amonto abedi nemom enye nkwa na be the obey bia in consultation and also in conjunction only Council of Elders and penyufo e da Safo na no and the Becca woman did you man. I'm gonna be a from J. Nothing about the part. I mean, this it's alleged the church constitution. I want to say, Dibra Apostle Safo Kantanka the man about Akofena or Jeffrey 7. So this is Article 12 clause 2A repealed. Now you can say Article 12 clause 2A of the Constitution is repealed, and the following is inserted. Do you know what you say? I hear Article 12. If I do clause no the edikano wo asakre mu ya the freshim. So let's go into it. Article 12 clause 2A or say the appointment of Nana Safo Akofena, one of the sons of the founder and the leader of the church, as the next leader of the church and a person who shall be acting as the leader of the church for the founder and leader of the church is hereby repealed and cancelled. And to say on which him say a yet dibra ye de man Nana Safo Akofena. Nana Safo Akofena ye hwan or ye Apostle Safo so which him one of the sons of the founder Nana Safo Akofena or ye Apostle Safo Kantanka manimu baako say on neba be da Safo no ano na fe wahwe so betu anamon se bibia be yasumdwe na dwumadie bi obetutu anamon bia ye bia no ebe ya or ye say leader of the church na wogina eye so asoro ne kofa bai Apostle Safo Kantanka nim na why did you make it now? Sabre, Omuchim said, one was a son. Oma replace Oma year free honum. Sa, a year and someone true as a phenomenal queen himself. You may dear say or the above. Almost a son, Oma year free honum. It has been repealed and cancelled. After Oma year free honum. Almost said, Chim, say, a year, Nana Safo Akofena. Your Apostle Safo Kantanka, the man Mubakono. Says here, and yes, say, be I want to be the leader of the church. And I only take you over as acting leader of the church and former Apostle Safo Kantanka there be the Oma year free home and Oma signs so a trim. And how to also say, and the statement that his appointment shall not be affected by the provisions of Article 25 and 26(1) of the Constitution is also amended by the deletion of same. And the bra, they call Queen say, oh, Safo Akofena is the next leader of the church. Yeah, on able to also obey active bra Apostle Safo Kantanka tiase. Now if it's not be apostle new, I'll bet also no did you medie how do aka. No was Safo na ye and among 2 years would to be a mass from you or year from. After so many from almost say come will be out to say or etwemu a sabe am no ka say de ye yin nyina e de free Asafo American. So it has there's deletion of same said the American is it here and that's what it is. After Oba after so much mu say Oma yi Nana Safo Akofena edian free was say forever lifetime leader of the church. No say chibi mu aba Oba clause 12 Article 12 clause 2B now. I say Article 12 clause 2B of the Constitution is repealed and the following inserted. The next leader of the church, so appointed by the founder and the leader of the church in accordance with Article 12 clause 1H of the Constitution shall be given an instrument of appointment to signify his authority. That's church after say Omuchim says here the Safo Akofena. Say the brain a crown ye free no. Is Omuchim say any basa not the next leader of the church no. founder any leader or asafo no or ne beboa na wahwe ama wayi de wabeda asafo na mu na afo watu na mahwe se bibia ebeya asumdwe se de a esiete ti na no mu cheche mu ama ya tensem wase e dia vo ba 27 na oba be chem leader of the church no ba se see ye na kojú Safo Akofena firo se automatic leader of the church no ye firo no se de omo hwe won kratem na emom se see the leader of the church kwa and amonto be no betu no so the welfare of the leader of the church. The leader of the church shall be paid a monthly salary which shall be determined by the head office in consultation with the procurement board and on the advice of the council of elders. This says here, omunya penina obeda asafna no. Penina obeda asafna no. Bosumi bi ombetu anika. Na bosumi bi akoche oni betu penina obeda asafna no. And no head office here was that asafna no ebehwe no watre. Na nye no kwa head office no watre sika yemfa ntua penina obeda asafna no a. Only the procurement board of the church omunya the beka boom our council of elders as afunu mpanyimfo etu omofo no mo sika poti esefata say e also mutu adema the leader of the church after mutu omo scientists will say the church shall provide one official residence for the leader of the church in Accra to assist in the performance of his official duties after as afunu be say ombepe biaye residence be bia as afunu paying the obedi as afunu nim no obetna ye na be the official residence na ombepe bia no won kran ho na de obedi asafna nim betna ya obehwe se obetu na mo nyina adi asafna nim atwe Accra de ama Kristo ama nyame adwuma tumi atumpon. Now about the third point now say the official residence provided in clause 2 of this article shall be used by every successive leader of the church in the performance of that leader's official duties. So say and now this is here omo chere say omo ni substantive leader na sa apostle ko yo Safo Kantanka ni wa saa asem odi kan ase ne ba kojú Safo Akofena be leader no o ma twam nti no den ya o munya leader foforo da chi bia leader foforo mbenya no o meba na official residence e wa Accra no ye baako say we tina town na ama ne ho ahenha no ne watu ana no ama asafo na timi atumpon eno ne koda nchen a afo say saa official residence be bia asafo no panyin ni betina no da chi bia sa leader ya obeba ni wona foforo saa ba ehwa na ono so betina na watumi aboa edi dwuma sonko ama asafo no etumpo jebusia we a section of the constitution of the church and na nyame adoma beton tentan fie ni so anya na ye dia ba abeton tentan fie ni so ayen saka bi na no ntie de beso na ama amansen na atiase nti omu kiremu a ohwe the constitution of the church na article 12 clause 2a no a ho na omu kiremu say appointment of Nana Kojo Safo Akofena no and as appointment of Nana Kojo Safo Akofena say leader of the church no apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka eka say we year free ho na after say we year free no wasan so atwam ya sa asem e chere say Nana Kojo Safo Akofena and the leader of the church no any honum biem na omo chere say this is in 2024 and now this amendment by into say you can to know the constitution of Kristo Asafo mission of Ghana amendment and Accra ye omo ye wo no 2024 jebusia we dey yeson krai komu aba abontin abeto media na so ne se information man san ye ntia sei na ntia to set this asent san bring nka bia na ebetre but then am say you can be kan sa krata no ye dey betu dwa ema man san na ti bia busuafo ne kan o mka tam say oh after 2017 apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka born ne ba Kojo Safo Akofena di brewe she di brewe say she ne sa omo chere se nyame na America busuafo ne krata be kan omo chere se afi na the Kristo Asafo business conglomerate no omo ni se niam bebre kofom niam ni bi ku agui de emu so na it is near collapse na se ayeti ase ewu na niam bebre ha adwen and after omo chere se Asafo no so no the foundational principles of the church no bebre ho a I mean it was ignored bebre ho a yetietia so sabio afenya no kwa omo sa chere se Nana Kojo Safo Akofena bro obeda Asafo no na otu na bon bia kra na otu na without due diligence to Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka and nyina ye ne omani bia omo hwa na aha adwen nyina ye omani bia omo hwa na ni kwan se basa no na Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka hwa ya in 2024 7 years after say oborn ba Kojo Safo na Kojo Safo Akofena is omo take over no o sign ma omo ye nsakra e wa Asafo no emrakunim na nyame adom sa nsakra ni bi na nyame adom wa nsakra bia ye dia besoma mansan na se de bi ho se de sitie nti ye mompa e wo media na so ne nsakra bia de besoma mansan ye ne akohwe e dia ba nti ye mompa se nyame be ya adom na kuro bi won sim beto dwa na bibia ye bɔkɔ na nse no to atwa na yetimi akate papa echi asomdwe mu na yetimi akɔ ye ma hwɛ de aka we nso de aka we nim na edo so busia me da asesa oje bre na ba hwɛ me another breaking news so happen say am no ka say lawyers egida mo de ma honorable Leader Asafo omo petition the attorney general yes wɔn akoma so adeɛ akɔto attorney general nim na deɛ nti wɔn de wɔn akoma so adeɛ na akɔto attorney general nim na sɛ wɔn sɛ asɛm no ɛwɔ Adenta circuit court yɛ anan no ɛkɔ Adenta circuit court ɛbɛto dwa sɛ court wetu asɛm no de ahyɛ da de akɔhyɛ sɛ abosome kakra ɛwɔ anim akyi afei no kɔda nkyɛn a yama Nana Safo Akofena ne nipa ɛwɔtwe aka na wɔn mu na nipa nkron yama wɔn nyinaa bail in the sum of 500,000 Ghana cedis, it is kind of 5 billion. After you will be offered 2 sureties, brown. Lawyers for Honorable Leader Asafo say, almost share some of the they had dream point. And Nuntina who are going to say, on the petition attorney general say, as some of what the Adenta circuit court. Only free one now, move from court of the Accra High Court. Nemoa, Emma Bibia Nyasuji, Nemoa Sans Accra High Court, the Anasani Bibia, Ayaboko, not attending because obviously almost justice, attending the Honorable Leaked Safo. Former member of parliament for Wontumi. Cabinet ebusuan sem de ade sa na bibiri na na eba. We adi di mo obeka sa aka na ebusuan for de betu dwa no a na no dwa da e bekin kan kyerem no. Ebusuan for de sa aka o mo krata mu se empo apostle Safo Kantanka. Ono a ne ba eye honorable Leader Asafo. Ebi oti ase o ye ne ba honorable Leader Asafo se ebusuan penny head of the Kantanka family or the honorable Leader Asafo and ye ebusuan penny. Ebra ebeto dwa sa apostle Safo Kantanka ye nyame dia no. Honorable Leader Asafo and any young man can boom one or met one won't be a safata says so much and maybe be a yasmin and you almost says more part 10 Eddie ama a honorable Leader Asafo son say a two a cano and yellow crescent to be uncansano mocha the two a cano yeah just a two a cano be kind of corn a body at the Emisermica yeah Yamika and I didn't offer fee or just apostle Safo Kantanka and Yamin didn't offer fee yes sir it be ankiatiasem de ti asemo etisano yeah obche who a two akode ammunition ni ade na nyina post for afa exhibitor of the dance ni kwan se de asem di akro nti omo se mpanyfo mo a na atenten na enye obusu ya de yankonye ko hwe video ni bi kakra and now no e wo de Adenta circuit ko na nya asem kitu akra na tension kakra wo ma e hwe kakra ma e ba de akabe beto aso na ye de asom ya no What am I in here? Why? Don't go your this thing. What kind of this thing is this? Ebusianti we here the course of the Adenta circuit court. Hey, enya asem keto enya di na mu ntremu eni mu amane bo asom ndi eguso adi nsemechi ye bompa ise nyame se ono anya adom na o masomdwi emra esan se ye papa apostle Safo Kantanka de o man Ghana ye kana asem aye nwie aho ye kana asem aye wie no ntina ehu be hia se abere bia ye betimi aye ne o ma hye papa no ani munyam betimi ne o ma de enkabo mu ne oto e banti yesre se nyame na amra mu na kasa ema akomanto yam nyame na amremu na pepepe ne atenten mra na sabi de Ghana mra nda bia enfa mra nto ema obi antene ho ase ntimi nko enkoye ne meda sesa oje bre na ohwe me dey kwapna usu aha e by Grace TV mesre se den dey kan abekan ha mesre se obe subscribe na like na comment na wa share my sounds ye wo de pa bebre ya yete ebe so mo kai se nyima ko bia da mo na gbe echi dom ya donten e my de jumede e bro idi kan se ye tonfie wa twema ya be the fear yeton a 4-bedroom house atwema be 10 minutes drive from Sofola. If we Sofola proper college area or 10 minutes what's not came 10 minutes drive 20 minutes or Daruma Mr. So need you fanamba on a fret if you are in Casa. Now bed your vessel the bibia koso ye the amana bibia ayasu bi said ya esse na efata me that's all jebre now share me the company so prepare me wish ya nyaminka ho maka bye bye.
Your perfume near my degree home my own yisha. Nani any here woman say perfumes neighbor show hano. So ba near when you be a whole tester and away a showcase is so hey. I can't test her nature saying yes I don't know about betono. Unim the way I let's see now
packaging
bow shake the way amber glue ho. So shake Yamaumia na wuhwia na se wani gye ho a na wafa ti ye niema ne de